In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Meet without needing to download the app. This guide is perfect for those who are looking for a quick and hassle-free way to join a meeting directly from your browser, whether you're using a laptop or a desktop. Now, let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. With your browser ready to go, head over to the Google homepage. You can do this by simply typing google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, look at the search bar in the center of the page. This is where you'll type in Google Meet. Google Meet is Google's popular video conferencing service that allows you to connect seamlessly with your colleagues, friends, or family virtually. After typing Google Meet into the search bar, go ahead and press enter. The search results will display several links, but the one you want is typically at the top or near the top of the list. It should say something like Google Meet video conferencing or Google Meet, with the link being meet.google.com. Click on this link to proceed to the Google Meet homepage. This page is where you'll kick off the meeting joining process. On the Google Meet homepage, you'll notice a button that says Join a Meeting. This option is key, as it allows you to directly join any meeting you've been invited to without the need for any additional downloads or software. Click on Join a Meeting. At this point, you're going to need the meeting link. This link is typically provided to you by the meeting organizer or host. You may have received this link via email, chat, or within a calendar invite. Find that link and simply highlight it, then right-click to copy it. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl+C on PCs or Command+C on Macs, to copy the link. Now, go back to the Google Meet page where the Join a Meeting option brought you. There should be a field or bar where you can paste the meeting link. Click into that field and paste the meeting link. You can use the right-click option to paste or use the keyboard shortcut, again often Ctrl+V on PCs or Command+V on Macs. Make sure the entire link is pasted correctly to avoid any connection issues. Once the meeting link is correctly pasted into the field, you should see an option to join the meeting. Click on that join button. You're now entering the meeting. As a final step, allow the necessary permissions for your microphone and camera when prompted, ensuring that participants can hear and see you. And there you have it. That's how you can join a Google Meet without needing to download an app. This method is convenient, fast, and efficient, especially when you're in a rush or using a shared device. Enjoy your meeting, and thank you for watching.